Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. Are you like me and have a hard time sleeping if there's even the tiniest little ray of light in your room at night? It is the worst. But this sleep mask by LitBear is the absolute best. It is so comfy and foam, as you can see. It hugs my face securely, and my favorite feature is this right here. This is the winning feature for me because it blocks all light from coming in from around that difficult area right there by my nose. This mask is, in my opinion, the perfect sleep mask. I love that it's soft and cushy on my face. It's adjustable, so if you have a small head, you can easily adjust the strap so that it's not too loose, because if it's too loose, it slides off in the night. But if you're like me and have a bigger head, you can adjust it to make it bigger so that it doesn't give you a headache from squeezing your face too tight. But it is important that it fits securely and snugly. It can go over my hair or under, but it just is so soft and comfortable on my face. It fits so well to the contours of your face because of that foam inside. And then with the cutouts here, it makes it where your eyes don't feel squished. Very well thought out design on this LitBear sleep mask. I also love the pink color because pink is my favorite color. So it's just my favorite perfect sleep mask, but that's just my point of view.